What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and right now I'm taking this video from the front facing camera of Huawei P30 Lite. It comes with 32 megapixel front facing camera and it is capable of recording 1080p Full HD resolution videos. It comes with beautification mode for videos and pictures as well. If you use the beautification mode for videos, then the video resolution will be just 720p. For pictures, we got the AI mode and also the portrait mode. In the portrait mode, there is beautification, bokeh effect, and also you can customize the bokeh pattern while using the portrait mode on Huawei P30 Lite front-facing camera. For videos, there is time-lapse mode provided as well. So right now I'm just trying to give you an idea about the video recording capability of P30 Lite front-facing camera. If you're going to use this phone for taking selfies or videos or video chatting, so how good or bad it's going to be in terms of quality. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for all of the future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.